All right, so in a moment, I'm gonna play you a song.
That's life.
Oh,
I'm so glad I brought you today. I've never done anything remotely close to this. Throw a key change at the most musical guy in the world.
don't be such a wimp. You got this.
The hardest thing about this song and this music is how much it changes. I mean, these guys are singing this after 6 or 7 martinis. Like, it's a whole different thing. I just had an energy thing. I know what I'm doing less when we started.
I think you look pretty confident.
Remember when we got here and I said this is gonna take us 2 hours? That was before they threw a fucking Frank Sinatra song.
Micheladas, yeah, dude.
All right, folks, you feeling ready?
Hell yeah, brother. We feel good in here.
All right, we are at EastWest Studios, and we are joined by Colin of Little Hurt. And you are accompanied today by David, Cher, Preston, and Jason. Welcome.
Thanks for having us.
How are you guys feeling about this challenge?
Super good. Tremendous.
I have no idea how this is gonna go.
There's a fun energy in the room today. Are you all friends?
Yeah. Pals?
Have you all played together before?
Yeah, it's some version of this.
I haven't played with these guys.
But these guys are my band a lot of the time, my pals, yeah.
We've been around.
We've traveled and done things.
A couple places.
And for the viewers who don't know, you used to be the front man for the Mowglis, is that correct?
I was for like a long time, 15 something years.
All right, so in a moment, I'm gonna play you a song, and it's gonna be your challenge to recreate that song and change it into a Little Hurt single. You have all afternoon, you can change chords, rhythms, tempos, but at the end of the day, it has to be uniquely yours.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oh shit.
I'm so glad I brought you today. What if I didn't bring you?
That's life.
Oh shit.
That's what all the people say. You're riding high in April, shot down in May. But I know I'm gonna change that tune. When I'm back on top.
I'm so glad we're doing this.
I said that's
This is great.
life,
That part's gonna be sick.
This is great for us.
and I can't deny.
I've never done anything remotely close to this.
I thought of cutting out, but if there's nothing.
Throw a key change at the most musical guy in the world.
Don't be such a wimp. You got
I'm
this.
gonna roll myself up in a big ball and die.
That lyric actually sounds like a Little Hurt lyric. I'm gonna roll myself up in a big ball and die. Should I do the voice and everything?
You should hit like a nasty little run right at the end there. Do something crazy.
Okay.
Give me your first impressions, folks.
What?
you gave Colin kind of a hard song.
I'm gonna need a fucking teleprompter. Because there's no way this is happening without lyrics out here.
Oh, we're not gonna be that mean. We're gonna give you chords and lyrics.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so I've always read this song as actually being sort of cynical. Even when I listened to your single, Alaska, you're a little bit cynical with your lyrics at times too.
Yeah, I'd say that's like 98% of what I do.
Okay, good. I'm glad I nailed that.
Yeah, my whole thing is like, everything's a little funny and I can't be too serious about it.
Can I show you something?
Please.
So, Frank actually recorded this song at this studio.
Whoa.
Yeah. We got the record right on the wall here, which I thought was kind of cool.
So cool.
Yeah.
Wow. I bet he was sober when he was making this record.
So this is the room where this song was actually created.
Wow.
So we were talking to one of the engineers here, and he said Frank would stand in the middle of this room with the orchestra.
Oh my
around,
God.
And they would do that song. So everything here is original.
I'm gonna play one of Little Hurt's horrible songs on Frank Sinatra piano.
I think it's a challenging song to cover.
Yeah, this is a hard
it's
song.
It's really hard. 'cause
You guys
can't-
didn't throw me a soft pitch.
No, and you can't out Sinatra. That's kind of how you learn music, though,
Yeah.
is you learn from the greats, and then you make it your own. And That's our philosophy here at Musora. Did you know over 100,000 people are learning to play music using just one app? Drums, vocals, bass, guitar, and piano. All in one place with step-by-step lessons, play-alongs, and sheet music for the songs you actually want to play. You can build your own lesson playlist, chase that one song, or just bounce around and learn whatever feels good. Drums on Monday, piano on Wednesday, maybe some vocal techniques by the weekend. And the teachers, they've played for some of the biggest names in music. Grammy winners, content creators, world-class touring musicians. It's all inside Musora, the home of Drumeo, Pianote, and more. Click the link to try a free week of music lessons on us.
Thank you guys for giving me a really hard song.
Softball.
That life.
I think it'd be kind of cool to start off as like,
Kind of like Zombie by the Cranberries.
I'm trying to think of like what I would do like when I'm thinking about doing like new music, like what I would do next. Down and over and out and no one thing. I don't know any of these. I think simplify, and then go from there. Yo, what if we started this thing off like fucking nothing, like with almost no elements, and then somehow we get like halfway through and like get going at some point. So there's like different vibes.
Yeah, I like that.
That's life. That's what all
You say. What are the chords?
For the verse, it's G, B, E, A. G, E minor.
The whole time, twice through.
Well, no, and then it goes to a D.
A D when you get to June.
Lots of people say, riding high in April, shot down in May. When I'm top in June, it still sounds too like.
Hold on.
That's life. That's what people say.
Where's the just keep doing this over and over. Keep playing this.
That's life. That's what all the people say. Flying high in April, shot down in May. But I know I'm gonna change.
See, I don't like how the vocals feel now.
Shot.
That's sort of nasty.
This is the vibe with these chords. This chord feel like a Little Hurt song now.
Everyone's doing different shit.
So it's just G, B, C, A for now.
Yeah.
It's kind of like Creep by Radiohead.
Totally. I think, and I wish that you had like a crazy reverb thing where it's just like you have like a soaring reverb over all this. Once we get there, once we figure this out, you can add all that. Like you can be the reverb guy.
What about that?
Nope. Once I figure out how to sing this, then we can figure, everything else will be a lot easier.
Yeah.
But I know I'm gonna change that tune.
That's where it gets weird.
But I know I'm gonna change that tune.
What is the real thing he's doing there?
But I know you're gonna change that tune.
But I know I'm gonna change that tune.
That solves it. Right?
Yeah, I'm doing the same walk up, but I'm cutting the phrasing in half. And then that last one, back on top in June, we got to do that.
Remember when
A
we
to
got
D.
here and I said this is going to take us 2 hours? That was before they threw a fucking Frank Sinatra
And they
song.
slat us, yeah, dude, fucking.
That's nice.
Oh, I'm gonna change that tune. Like I'm taught in June.
G. I love it. No, D. That feels like something.
Yeah. That's it. That's the vibe. Wait, hold on. Oh, play that.
When I'm back on top in June.
I feel like the keys need to just be moved. It's really a cool synth sound. It's like just kind of airy and like.
I mean, I could switch it.
great lead there.
All right.
You know?
Yeah.
That brings us to the next thing, which is chaos.
I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn and a king.
What if
Yeah.
it goes from those stabs, like just in the first line, into like a surf rocky type of like ka-ka, ka, ka-ka, ka. You know what I'm saying?
And a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet.
And then out of this, 2, 3, 4, yeah, like some variation of some like that would be like different than what we're doing on the verse.
Yeah.
Right.
That's
But
cool.
still energy. I don't know.
Yeah, I like that.
Interesting.
I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn and a king. I've been up and down and over and out and I know one thing. With that on my face, I pick
Dude, I feel like it's begging for us to do what he just started doing.
What did he do?
Puppet, a pauper, a poet, a pawn and a king.
Yeah, that's
I've been
sexy.
up and down and over and out.
Yeah.
I love that.
And once we go into that rhythm, let's just fucking finish the song out with it.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Because like, number one, the hardest thing about this song and this music is how fucking much it changes.
Right.
Yeah.
It changes so much, which is the opposite of every instinct. I have to unlearn all of my training to do this right now. I mean, these guys are singing this after 6 or 7 martinis. Like, it's a whole different thing. I just had an energy drink. I know what I'm doing less when we started.
I think you look pretty confident.
I've been up and down and over and out and I know one thing. Each time I find myself laying flat on my face, I pick myself up and get back in the race. That's life.
That M part we gotta work out.
Should we drop out there and make that like a softer verse?
Yeah, like make the very last chorus just like keys and vocals.
Yeah.
Gonna own myself up in a big ball and die.
I would hang on that a little
Yeah,
bit.
hang on for that
Hang
longer.
myself in a big ball.
Then I'll roll myself up in a big old ball and die.
That's fire.
That was fun. Okay, do you guys want to try to run a take and see if miraculously we like nail one?
Yeah.
Cool.
At this point, we should be recording everything.
All right.
That's life. That's what people say. You're riding high in April, but you're shot down in May. But I know I'm gonna change that soon. When I'm back on top in June. That's life, as funny as it seems. Some people get their kicks stomping on a dream, but I don't let it get me down. 'Cause this final world, it keeps spinning around. Yeah, I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn and a king. I've been up and down and over and out and I know one thing. Each time I find myself flat on my face, I pick myself up and get back in the race. That's life. I tell you what, I can't deny it. I thought of quitting, baby, but my heart don't buy it. If I didn't think it's worth a try, then I'd jump right on that big bird and fly. I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn and a king. I've been up and down and over and out and I know one thing. Each time I find myself laying flat on my face, I pick myself up and get back and I can't deny it. I thought of cutting out, but my heart won't buy it. But there's nothing shaking come July. I'm gonna roll myself up in a big ball and die.
All right, folks. Tell me what that experience was like for you.
Oh, that was difficult.
I had a lot of fun. It was a good time.
It was a blast.
It seems like you learned a lot about that song doing that today. We have a bunch of music students. We're primarily an education platform. This is unique, I think, for professional performers like yourselves. What was that experience of learning a song like for you?
This was my first time playing with these guys, and it was so much fun. I feel like everyone brought something to the table, and like you said, like there was no bad ideas. It was really fun trying to take such a classic song and interpret it into a Little Hurt song.
Basically, we took it and we made it faster, louder, and worse.
Not worse, just different, and that's the whole point. On that note, Colin, how close do you feel like we got to like a Little Hurt single?
6, 7?
I'd give it like an 8.
I think the only thing that, like, if I had, I think that if it was a Little Hurt song, melodically, it would have gone a lot more places. But because we're working within the chords that were given to us, that's not really what, you know what I'm saying? Like, I wouldn't have done a lot of all these melody choices, probably because it's not 1978.
I think it hits close to home too, since like he recorded that here, and going through that earlier kind of was, at least for me, pretty inspiring to be like, wow, like, you know, something this revered was cut here, and now we have to like walk in those footsteps a little bit.
Yeah. There's also, I mean, I don't know if you guys caught this part earlier. As he kept singing it more, he started getting in more of those like Sinatra inflections. And,
Yeah,
like, hanging
that was
on
the
to
most interesting
I
thing.
think that is the spirit of Frank Sinatra.
Because it's funny, because I started the song off and I was like, I'm not going to sing at all like Sinatra. And I'm not saying that I did, but I did start using a lot of vibrato without knowing it. And I started doing these note bends that Sinatra did. And I was like, okay, so I'm kind of doing I'm impersonating a Sinatra impersonator.
If you had any homies or a band that you know that you think would just do awesome at this challenge, who would that be?
Oh, heavens.
Oh, good heavens.
You know who would kill this is, I got a buddy named TJ Miner, and he's an incredible, incredible, incredible singer. And he does like pop, but it crosses into a lot of other things.
And Sherry, you said you play with Honey Revenge,
Yeah,
right?
I love them.
Honey Revenge?
Yeah, Honey Revenge. That'd be sick. There's also another artist that I play with, Adrian Lyles, who is sick. He does like indie, like alt pop type beat. But yeah, we like do a lot of covers with him.
Well, this was a pleasure to watch, guys. You killed it.
Thank you guys for having
Thank
us.
you guys.
Appreciate it.
This is so much fun.
Heck yeah.
Come visit us in Canada.
Yeah.
Give us a reason, we'll be on a plane.